Hey guys, I'm John Setzler, and in this Atlanta Grill Company short video, I'm going to teach you how to make a really great condiment item for your barbecue or whatever kind of meal you want to use this with. We're going to make some pickled onions. These things are going to be delicious. You're going to want to start out with one medium-sized red onion, cut it in half and slice it like I've done here. And then you're going to take a pint mason jar, and the first thing we're going to do is add 10 whole allspice berries to the jar, 10 whole black peppercorns, 1 clove of garlic that's been sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried thyme, and then we're just gonna pull these onions apart and stuff this jar completely full of these onions. You may or may not be able to get all of your onions in there, but just get as much of it as you can in there. Pack it in as tight as you can, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to top that jar off with white wine vinegar. And when that's topped off, you'll just put your lid on there and give it a twist, tighten it up good, and you'll want to flip this guy over and shake it around a bit. And you're going to want to let this sit for at least 2 or 3 hours at a minimum, but really what I like to do is just make this a day in advance if possible and put it in the refrigerator, and this will last a really long time in the refrigerator, and it'll last much longer than you'll be able to keep hold of it. Those are going to be gone before they go bad. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.